What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on Morra Games. This is one of my favorite microcap gems that I truly believe could 100x this bull run. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So I just want to start things off with this tweet that I posted on February 12th. And I said I would feel guilty if I didn't share my Morra Games trade setup. And I shared all the bullish indicators with you, and Morra was trading at just over 1 penny. Fast forward to the current Morra chart and we exploded out of this falling wedge. So had you guys taken that trade, you could have made up to 71% gains in about a week. If you compare that to the stock market, where the average return is 10% in a year, that would mean we made in about a week what the stock market makes in over 7 years, which are actually incredible gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. I will go deeper into the Morra chart at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But also, you guys should come over to my X account and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and I've been making some very profitable calls. So I think you guys will definitely get some useful information. So Morra has broken back beneath 1.5 cents, and their market cap is only 5.2 million. Think about it. This crypto would only need to reach a market cap of around 521 million to 100x your money. Not even $1 billion market cap. Now, is that guaranteed? Obviously not. But also, not everyone's goal is to 100x their money. In my opinion, I could very easily see a project like this doing at least the 20x. That would put it right around a 100 million market cap. We have seen gaming projects like this completely explode. And they actually have good tokenomics. 378 million out of a max supply of 500 million. Which is just over 75% in circulation. A lot of gaming projects have significantly worse tokenomics. And then Morra Games has retraced about 27% from their all-time high that they reached 1 month ago. And that all-time high was just under 2 cents. Now, at this point, I've made 2 prior videos about Morra Games, and in those previous videos, you could only buy Morra Games through Uniswap. However, since then, they have had a centralized exchange listing, and that is MEXC. And the very exciting thing about this is that there is no longer a buy and sell tax on MEXC. And then lastly, their CoinMarketCap description says Morra Games is a pioneering Web3 studio that leverages cutting-edge technology and a community-driven approach to reshape the future of play. Operating as a versatile platform, Morra Games offers diverse ecosystems such as gaming, comics, augmented reality, and esport. But now we will quickly take a look at their website. So empowering digital ownership. Morra Games' decentralized ecosystem places a premium on authentic digital ownership. Through blockchain technology, we provide creators, collectors, and gamers with transparent and secure ownership of digital assets. And at the current moment, their games are Karnak Legacy, Meadowlands, Mythia, and Cult with Cars. And it's good to see that their games are pretty diversified. For example, Karnak Legacy is a first-person shooter, whereas Cult with Cars is a cars game. But they say we are not just a studio, we are the future of entertainment. And then they talk about the Morra Games token a little bit. 100% liquidity locked, team token locked, buy/sell tax to be phased out, which is very important. And as I said on MEXC, there's already not a buy/sell tax. No VCs, more than 75% in circulation, and lastly, supports multiple mobile games. And that's the other thing about Morra Games that I wasn't necessarily specific on. They are developing mobile games. And as I'm sure you guys are aware, the popularity of smartphones is growing every single day. But now we'll take a look at the Morra Games X account, as they have 41.6 thousand followers. And this is what I was talking about. Their pinned tweet January 30th. Morra is now live on MEXC trading. Trade Morra without worrying about huge gas fees and enjoy zero tax. So again, that is very bullish to see for this project. And then the other thing that I really like about Morra Games is that they post on here pretty much every single day. Now, I'm not going to say it's always the most important information. A lot of the time it's just game updates. However, I would definitely prefer that approach as opposed to only posting when they have something important to say. Because the reality of the crypto market is that it is heavily driven based on hype and speculation. And if you are a new project and you are not building your community every single day, then you're not going to succeed. But now we'll take a look at some macro news that could affect Morra's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Morra. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And the first thing is what they posted 19 minutes ago. Nvidia surpasses a $2 trillion market cap. It is crazy to see how much they've grown since 2020. But regardless, seeing information like this could be bullish for crypto, especially AI. And then 18 hours ago, Reddit says they invested excess cash into Bitcoin and Ethereum and may continue to do so. At this point, there are so many different companies that are starting to realize that crypto is the future. And then the final post I want to go over is what they posted February 20th. So VanEck spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume is up 14x today. And this is just awesome to see because it shows how much interest there is in the Bitcoin spot ETFs. And most of the people investing in the spot ETFs are the older generations, the people that do not understand self-custody. But at the same time, they have most of the money, so it's very important that they are interested in crypto. But now I want to go ahead and provide you guys with an opportunity. So I have a private Discord through Patreon, and at the current moment I have 3 different tiers, but there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just understand, a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, like Morra games. These are the kind of cryptos that could theoretically turn $1,000 into $100,000. Just to give you guys a couple examples of the gains we've been making, we made 417% gains on AGI in about a month. We made 172% on GOQ in 13 days, 602% on Mine Token in 11 days. Just to put this in perspective, if you invested $10,000 into Mine Token, in 11 days, your $10,000 would be over $70,000. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Morra games on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys taken my initial trade that I posted on X, you could have made around 71% gains in about a week. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So the first thing I'm seeing is that Morra games had a strong rejection at this previous local high. So in that case, I would start to draw Morra games in some sort of a bull flag pattern. And while this bull flag would start to fill out, the RSI and stochastics would start to reset. And then price action could potentially get a bounce off of the 21-day moving average as a support level. And we then could get another explosive move up. But the main thing that I want you to understand about the crypto market right now is that the niche that has been exploding is AI. Gaming hasn't really had its turn yet. So in my opinion, I still think Morra games could absolutely explode in the near future. But that's about all the TA I'm going to do on this project, because the reality is this project is still extremely new. So there's not a whole lot of data right now. But lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is where I get a little bit worried. So as a lot of you guys know, I initially nailed Bitcoin in this bull flag and it broke out perfectly. And this was back when Bitcoin was at 42,000 and we pumped all the way over 52,000. However, the last few days, the RSI and stochastics have been extremely overbought. And that is a big reason that I started to draw Bitcoin in another bull flag. And similar to Morra games, the main thing that I'm watching right now is the 21-day moving average. I will not be surprised at all if Bitcoin continues to flag out or even drops a little bit and touches the 21-day. And the other reason that I say that is because if you look at the weekly time frame on Bitcoin, price action swings from a lower high to a higher high. The RSI is higher high to lower high. That is a very strong Class A bearish divergence, which typically signals a local top has been reached. So based on the daily time frame and the weekly time frame, Bitcoin does look like it's going to drop in the short term. Is that guaranteed? No, it is not. Because you also have to remember, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Morra will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.